When we're learning new programming languages, the very first program we usually build is a classical hello world. All that the program does is printing a hello world text on a screen. That gives us a starting point of a learning process and understanding of a program structure. Today, we're going to see how to write a hello world application in Go programming language. All Go programs are organized into packages, which is similar to libraries in other programming languages. Every package consists of a file with Go extension. Here's our Hello World Go file. Since we are not building a library here, our program has to define a package with a name main. And it should have a special function main as well. All the program execution is happening inside the function main. When the program reaches the end of a function, it finishes its work. That is bare minimum of a program. It is valid and we can run it, although it doesn't do anything. To print a message on the screen, we need to import an additional package that provides us functionality to print text. Go ships with built-in FMT or FUMT package, which we need to import in our program in order to use it. Now we can call a function println to print a message. To run the program, we need to open a terminal and locate the directory with a file we just created. I am going to use a terminal built-in into my code editor. Now we need to use go run command and give it a file name. That prints the hello world message on the screen. The go run command only runs the program from the files we specify. If you want to distribute the program, we can use go build command. That creates an executable file which we can run. If you don't have Go installed on your computer but want to try the language, you can do it from your browser. The Go website provides the language playground. When you open that URL, it welcomes you with a very similar Hello World application we just built. Here you can edit your program. And run it by clicking Run button. That's how to build a Hello World application in Go.